Assalamu alaikum guys, hello, welcome to my channel. Today video I'm gonna share with you my experience, and I'm gonna help you to fix out your reuse content strike. As you can see the mail on 30th June, I got mail that your channel is no longer eligible for monetize, and when I open my channel to monetize heading, and you can see reuse content, there is a message. So I have to reapply on 30th July. Before that, what I have to do to delete videos which not belong to me. And in reuse content, mostly you guys upload your own videos more than one time. And second problem, in this case you use someone else video without editing, and you just upload. And in this video, as you can see, there are a lot of videos over there, and some of that videos I just re-upload. I didn't make any change on it. So now what I'm going to do, I just delete all the videos which are not belong to me. Simple is that. And those video which I re-upload second time, and that video belong to me, and re-upload once again, re-upload your own video should be delete. These two things you have to do. Okay, now I'm going to do these two things, and I will show you. Okay guys, as you can see, the reapply button is active, and today is 1st August. Now I am going to reapply my channel for monetization. Before that, you make sure that you have 1000 subscriber, 4000 watch hours, and also deleted videos which are not belong to you. Simply click this reapply button. Make sure don't double click the reapply button, and wait until the page refresh, and you will get the message like this: your reapplication is under review. Now we have to wait. Okay guys, today 4th August, and yesterday on 3rd August I got mail from YouTube. You have been approved to join the YouTube partner program. So this is how you can reactivate your channel as monetize. And don't use someone else's video. If you want to use someone else's video, make sure you have to edit their videos, then you can use it, and you don't get mail from YouTube about copyright strike. If you need any help or suggestion, you can directly contact me through my Facebook page, my travel, my book. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.